Power transformer testings as per IEC 60076 or IS 2026. Both standards are same. IEC means International Electrotechnical Commission and IS means Indian Standards. In power transformer routine tests, one of the tests is measurement of winding resistance test. About measurement of winding resistance in IEC 60076 Part 1 mentioned in 3 points. 1. General. 2nd. Oil immersed type transformer. 3rd. Dry type transformer. We will go in detail. General. By using DC current, we measure the resistance of each winding. The terminals between which is measured and the temperature of the winding shall be recorded. Next, oil immersed type transformer. After the transformer has been under oil without excitation for at least 3 hours, the average oil temperature shall be determined and the temperature of the winding shall be deemed to be the same as the average oil temperature. Next, dry type transformer. Before measurement, the transformer shall be at rest in a constant ambient temperature for at least 3 hours. Winding resistance and winding temperature shall be measured at the same time. What is the purpose of this test? What are the precautions of this test? What is the procedure of this test? What is the acceptance criteria? We will go in detail. Purpose of the transformer winding resistance test. By using this test, we can check the continuity of all internal connections, and it is done at the site in order to check the abnormalities due to loose connections of bushings or tap changer. And by using this test, we can calculate the copper loss. Before doing this test, we can take the precautions. First, disconnect the transformer electrically and clean the terminals of the transformer. Next, procedure. If it is star connected winding, the resistance should be measured between line and neutral, or it is delta connected winding, measurement of winding resistance should be done between pairs of line terminals. Repeat this process for all tap changer. The resistance is measured at ambient temperature and then converted to resistance at 75 degrees. It is the standard resistance. And what is the acceptance criteria? All readings should be within plus or minus to each other. And measure the HV and LV winding resistance value should not exceed the guaranteed limit as per the specified approved GTP. GTP means General Technical Parameters. Now see the connections of HV side. Here we take an example is star delta connected transformer. On HV side the connection is delta connected and LV side is star connected. I already said in before slide, if we are measuring delta connected, measure the resistance between phase to phase. See the connections C to B, C to A and B to A. Now see the test connections of LV side. On LV side the connection of winding is star connected. In star connected winding, measure the resistance between phase to neutral C to N, B to N, A to N. Now see the measurement of winding resistance test report for your reference. Before seeing this test report, I will explain the transformer details of this test report. This transformer has 7 tappings on HV side. HV side is delta connected transformer and LV side is star connected transformer. Before slides I already said HV side we measure the resistance between phase to phase, and star connected we measure the resistance between phase to neutral. Now see the test report. HV side test report, this is the LV side test report. We measure the resistance on each and every tap between phase to phase at ambient temperature, then we converted into 75 degree standard temperature by using this formula. And LV side test report, we calculate the resistance at normal tap at ambient temperature. This is the one section, this is the another section. We can then calculate the standard temperature by using this formula. Thank you very much for listening.